Hello guys, so what better time than now to unbox this product. Dear brothers ECG, I don't know what they are doing, but it's light out here, and we got this battery powered fan from Oraimo to unbox and to use in times like this. And yes, so okay, so let's unbox this and try it out this time when we actually need to use it. While I unbox it, I'd like to tell you a story about this fan. My wife has been bugging me for this fan for a very long time, and I didn't buy it. And recently she told me that if I don't buy it, you buy it yourself. So I went to buy it. So here it is. We'll get into this soon, but on the box it says it's a small size big chill 2-in-1 Dex and stand fan. The model number is OPF502A. On this side it says it has 8 wind speed. I think you can control the fan in 8 levels. It has a 4000 mAh battery and upgraded fans for stronger airflow. You can charge it via Type-C fast charging. That's important. Foldable and retractable. It's foldable and retractable, and it has a digital display at the bottom. I think it has some lights at the bottom. You can see it in there. Okay, that's about it for it. So in the box, we just took out the products. We have the manual and the remote, and I think the USB A to C cable here. And then I think this is just this is it. Let's unbox this. You can see I'm sweating because it's getting really hot. Okay. There you go. What do you think? Okay. I don't know why it was coming from. Okay. So, turn on the protection switch on the bottom of the fan. Protection switch on the bottom of the fan. Okay. Turn the on. Okay. This is it. It works. So this is the oraimo portable foldable fan. It's smart. It has a battery, 4000 mAh, and I think it's pretty good. I can feel the breeze from here. I hope it lasts. I hope it works well for this time. But I really needed this now because it's really hot here, and I'm excited about it. So just watch out for more reviews on it as I use it. Just pray that if ECG takes out the light often, then we'll get more reviews on this thing or more use time out of this. Thank you so much for watching. JT here, and catch you up in the next one. Peace.